Hello friends, how are you? Hope so all are doing well in this COVID-19 pandemic. Friends, myself Dr. Sudarshan Sanap, Head Department of Mechanical Engineering, MIT School of Engineering, Pune. Well, you people are very well aware that the role of mechanical engineers in industry is a demanding. Always it is said that the mechanical engineer is leading the different sectors. If you are talking from the IT sector also, nowadays lot of examples are in front of us. They are having a background of mechanical engineering and they are leading the IT based companies and other sectors also. At my department, we are having a specialization of mechanical engineering, mechatronics and automation engineering at UG level. Its industry need that the automation at different plants, the use of the robotics and whatever the live applications are there related to the core mechanical engineering. So all these things we have covered in our curriculum. I am very proud to tell you that MIT School of Engineering and Department of Mechanical Engineering is the only department who is giving the super specialization degree in mechatronics and automation engineering at UG level. We are having electric vehicles course at MTech level, apart from design engineering and mechatronics and automation engineering. You will find at very rare places this course, that masters in electric vehicles, in my college also, at my department. I am very proud to tell you that this department is equipped with 18 labs having investment of more than 3 crore rupees. In that, as I mentioned, we are having mechatronics and automation. So we are having industrial automation lab, control engineering lab, robotics lab, where you will find the actual applications. The robots are working. Our students, as we believe in project-based learning, so our students from second year, third year and final year of engineering, so they have developed the actual models and all these are in working condition. I am very happy to tell you that as these keywords like MI, machine learning, artificial intelligence, digital manufacturing, now it's a part of our curriculum. As the students who are getting a degree of computer engineering, so whatever the core knowledge is required, so that we are teaching for mechanical engineering students also. Well, student friends, we are having different innovation in my department. So we will visit to the project lab, then different labs, and you will get the feel of the different labs. Okay, so we are at project lab. This lab is available for the students 24/7. Students are coming to this lab, they are doing the different experiments and they are coming with a strong output, and that our output should be in the form of some workable model. So these are the examples of some good projects in front of you. As you know that nowadays the market is related to the e-mobility, robotics, automation. So with the help of some industry partners like Cadence Mobility Solutions, Device Electronics, Honeywell. So these are our industry partners. With the help of them we have developed this live projects and these projects are in front of us. Let me tell you friends, these are the projects which are developed by our second year, third year and final year students. So that at the end we are going to develop the industry ready engineers, and this is what a key factor that industry people are very happily accepting this. This humanoid robot, which is actually the outcome of project based learning, this project was developed by our third year mechatronics and automation engineering students with the help of our faculty expertise. I am very sure that this humanoid robot is going to control these different workstations. Students are taking participation in different national and international competitions through the different student organizations like MESA, Society of Automotive Engineers, BAHA, ISHRE, ASHRE, Robotics Club. So these are the students club which are run by the student and supported by the faculty members. The outcome of all this activity is that the students are getting a confidence and they are getting a different practical exposure. 75% students of final year, they are placed at different companies. Remaining are they are doing their higher education abroad. And few startups are also converted into the products through the Atal Incubation Center, which is available in our campus. We are having a strong memorandum of understanding with the different universities, Indian as well as the abroad, then MOUs with the different organizations, strong bonding with the industry persons, that is converted into the good placement also. We are having a center of excellence at a Department of Mechanical Engineering like Digitech, Carewells. They have invested more than 50 lakh rupees in Department of Mechanical Engineering so that our students will get a practical exposure and that will be converted into the research as well as the publication. So, number of activities are happening in my department. So, with this I would like to welcome you all my dear aspirants to visit the campus, see this beautiful lush green campus and enjoy. Thank you.